Bitcoin is currently sitting at $87,200, and last night we got our weekly close, and it was a good one. And we have found support off of the 100 moving average. Now, currently on the weekly, the RSI is at 30.7, and that's crazy because the previous three bear market lows have been at 25. Here we go. The Luna collapse was at 25. That was the bear market selling climax of the market. 2018, the bear market low was 25. This was the absolute bottom of the market, as you can see. And then in 2015, the bear market low on the weekly RSI was 25. And that also was the absolute low. Now, I say that because today we're sitting at 30, which is insane how much oversold we are and how much closer to being to the end of it that we actually are. Now, there's one scenario right here, March of 2020, where we got to the 30s, and honestly, this is my biggest fear in the market, is we do something like this, because we're at 30 right now, but if we close 95k 94k on Sunday, in all likely this would scrunch this up and it would look almost the exact same. On the daily, we got extremely oversold, and we went through it 13 times. We've been this oversold in Bitcoin's history. The median move was a 20% move from here, so I'm expecting a bounce to the 98, 103, 107k range, somewhere in that range, and I expect that the altcoins are going to outperform it during that time. The question is, what are we going to do during that time? And I expect us to bounce to 103, roll over, and then inevitably find ourselves at 75k, somewhere in that range where the bottom is. Now, the big thing fundamentally that's happened, 16 days from now, the Fed meeting is going to take place. The market now has it at 77% chance that there will be a rate cut, which is a stark correction from Thursday. It was at 60% there would be no cut. I've never seen a move like this in history. It seems like Fed Chair Jerome Powell is on his way out, but it looks like they're going to cut, and I expect us to rally into the Fed cut. It's going to be a buy the rumors, sell the news type event. But the important thing is, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Follow me for more, you savages.